When it comes to the issue of debt, instead of being liable for each other's debts, can we agree to each being responsible for our own debts? Hi everyone, I'm Aisha Karim, your family law specialist. Let's get into it. So in South Africa, we have something called a divorce settlement agreement. This is when the parties try to mediate the matter and then reach an agreement regarding the proprietary consequences of their marriage, meaning the debt, the liabilities, the assets, and so forth. And if you have minor children, you'll also need to reach an agreement regarding those children. So can you agree to how the debt is going to be divided? So can you say, I will keep all the debt that's on my name and my spouse will keep all the debt that is on his name? Yes, you absolutely can do that, and it is highly recommended for you and your spouse to enter into an agreement, reduce that to writing, and have what we call a consent order. So that is, you both are going to consent to how your assets and liabilities are going to be divided. And you could very well just say, whatever's on my name, I'm going to keep. Whatever's on your name, you're going to keep. And we're going to walk away from this, as cleanly as that. And if there are assets that are on both your names, then we sell those assets and divide the profits again equally between the two of us. When I say cost effective, the reason that is because your matter will proceed on what we call an unopposed basis. Most attorneys can give you an agreed fee for that. We can tell you the projection, the time. It's also quite quick to get that done. And it obviously then saves the parties a lot of time and effort. You can also agree to what happens to your pension funds. So for example, if you are married in community or property, and let's say you both have pension funds, but you don't want to touch each other's pension funds, you can agree that he's going to keep his pension fund, you're going to keep yours, and that's the end of it. Even if you don't have a pension fund and you're like, listen, I'm not interested in anything like that. I don't want this to be an opposed divorce. I don't want to fight. I just want to get out, which is the case for a lot of people. You can agree that he can keep whatever's his and you're going to keep whatever's yours. And the bottom line is the two of you are going to walk away. But please make sure that if you are entering into an agreement and you have minor children, that they are included in that agreement and that you agree to things like maintenance and care and contact before signing your final divorce settlement agreement.